Sri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3, OV 177. स्वयं जरी निर्विकारी साई नटनाटकी अवतारी वर्ते माया कार्यानुसारी जैसा व्यवहारी प्रापंचिक. Though Sai is himself an incarnation, he, remaining unaffected, enacts various roles, just like a householder engrossed in his daily life, and acts according to the dictates of Maya. समर्थ साई या अल्पमंत्रे ध्याती जयाची पदे पवित्रे हालवी जो भक्त भव मोक्ष सूत्रे पावन चरित्रे तयाची. Samartha Sai, with this mantra, for those who serve at his holy feet, he moves the strings for the deliverance of his devotees from worldly existence. Sacred is his life story. Evacha pavana sai charitra, vachi tayace pavana vaktra, shrotayanse pavana shrotra, hoila pavitra antaranga. In brief, holy is the story of Sai. The hearts will be purified of those who recite and those who listen. प्रेमे करिता कथा श्रवण होईल भवदुःखांचे हरण ओळेल साई कृपा घन प्रकटेल संपूर्ण शुद्ध बोध. Listening to the stories with love will dispel all worldly afflictions. Sai, the cloud of mercy, will shower grace and complete and pure knowledge will appear. Laya vikshepa kashaya, rasaswad he shravana apaya, दूरसारा हे अंतराय श्रवण सुखदायक होईल. Sloth, a wandering mind, attachment to the sense objects, and indulgence of the palate. These are the obstacles which come in the way of listening. Steer clear of these, and the listening will become a happy experience. न लगे व्रत उद्यापन, न लगे उपवास शरीर शोषण, न लगे तीर्थयात्रा पर्यटन, चरित्र श्रवण एक पुरे. You do not need ceremonies to complete the rituals. You do not need fasting to torture the body. You do not need to visit the tirthas. It is sufficient to listen to the story. प्रेम असावे अकृत्रिम, जाणिले पाहिजे भक्ती वर्म, सहज लाधेल परमार्थ परम, नासेल विषम अविद्या. Genuine love and awareness of the core of devotion will easily lead to the attainment of the highest good, and incorrect knowledge and the knowledge of the twofold nature will be destroyed. न लगे इतर साधनी क्षीण, करू हे साई चरित्र श्रवण, संचित आणि क्रियमाण, अल्प प्रमाण ही नरुवो. You need not make efforts for other means. Let us listen to the Sai Charita. It will exhaust all karmas of the past and the present life, which result in rebirth. Not the least effect will remain of them. कृपण वावरो कवण्याही गावा, चित्ता समोर पुरलेला ठेवा, जैसा तयासी अहर्निशी दिसावा, तैसाची वसावा साई मनी. As a miser, wherever he is, has his mind fixed on his hidden treasure day and night, in the same easy way, Sai should dwell in our minds. Swasti Shri Sant Sajjan Prerite Bhakta Hemad Pant Virachite Shri Sai Samartha Satcharite Grantha Prayojananujñapanam नाम तृतीयोऽध्यायः सम्पूर्णः। श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथार्पणमस्तु। शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु शुभं भवतु।